Today we're going to be showing you how to replace your hot rod on your XXL Pro. Your hot rod is what starts the fire in the burn cup. Let's jump into it. Before you get in this process, you want to make sure that your XXL Pro is unplugged and that it has had sufficient time to cool. After that, we need to unplug the hot rod from the controller. We will undo these 6 screws located on the bottom of the hopper. Once you have your panel taken off, you're able to access the hot rod connector, which will be labeled A. Go ahead and disconnect that from the controller. Now we need to remove our smoke box assembly. Next we need to remove the plate above the burn cup, so we need to take off the nut on the back end of the butterfly valve. And then using the Allen wrench that is provided in your XXL Pro, we need to unthread the bolt under the handle, and then you can unscrew the nut and take the whole butterfly valve out. Now with your butterfly valve removed, you can go ahead and take off this top plate. You'll then need to unscrew each one of these 4 screws in the corner. And go ahead and remove your bottom plate as well. All right, once your hot rod is disconnected, you're able to pull your burn cup up and out. But before you pull this all the way through, we are going to unscrew this and leave your old one sitting right here. From this point, you're able to grab the burn cup, put your hot rod through, stick it through about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and then tighten it down. So before we feed this back through our hopper, a little tip is if we cut our old hot rod right here and attach our new one with some tape, it'll help us to feed it back through the hopper. We're just gonna snip these off here and just tape these together. Nice and snug, doesn't need to be too crazy. So we're gonna tuck this wiring back in to the left of our auger tube and put our burn cup back in place. Now from this side, we're gonna carefully pull our hot rod through. So you see the new connector. So once this is through, just connect A to the A connector from your controller. Now that your hot rod is connected back into your controller, we're gonna assemble everything in reverse order, starting with screwing in the 4 screws into the burn cup. Now you can thread your butterfly valve back through the front and then screw it back on. Then install your handle and tighten down the bolt again. From here you can put your smoke box assembly back together. Now you can reinstall your grease tray, making sure the hole is in the back and all the shelves. And then we're going to screw on the hopper plate. Hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. If you have any additional questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline.